Well, hey there, Chef Donna here, and welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today, I am heading to my client's house, and I am going to be making a black bean and sweet potato soup. But I am going to be using dried black beans versus the canned beans. And I cannot tell you the difference that it's going to make in the flavor of the soup just to take the time and to use the dried beans. So I am running a little bit late. I'm going to get in the store and get all my shopping done and then head to my client's house. I'll see you there. Bean soup has been simmering for almost 2 hours, and I have the potatoes in there now. So I'm going to take out a scoop and I'm going to go ahead and blend it so it's nice and creamy.